Trailing stop is an algorithm for automatic control of the stop-loss level. To set the trailing stop, select an open position in the Trade tab in the terminal window. Right-click the selected position and set the trailing stop in the pop-up menu. Trailing stop is always tied to an open position and is executed in the client terminal, not on the broker's server as a stop-loss. Therefore, a trailing stop will work only when the terminal is open and connected to the server via the internet. Consider the following example. Let's open a deal on the euro-dollar pair. Right-click this order and select the trailing stop option in the pop-up menu. After that, we can select the trailing stop level from the available options or enter the value manually. It cannot be put closer than 15 points from the current price. Let's set the trailing stop at 15 points. When the price goes into profit by 15 points, the trailing stop will move the stop-loss level to break even. Further movement of price in the favorable direction will pull the stop-loss level to the current price by 15 points. This will allow you to avoid losses if the trend reverses and goes to an unprofitable direction.